Hey guys, Mr. Simmons here. Today we're going to do a plotting exercise where you are going to practice your measurement accuracy. This is going to do two things. Number one, this is going to help you to further develop your skill of measuring with standard rule measurement. And number two, it's going to illustrate for you the importance of every single measurement, because this plotting exercise will end in an image being created on the page. And because each one of your measurements depends on the accuracy of the measurement before it, we're going to see just how important each individual measurement is. And this is very much like a woodworking project. If you're building, let's say, a coffee table, and you cut your first piece a little bit too short, your second piece is a little bit too long, third piece a little bit too short, so on and so on. When we go to take all these pieces and put them together, we're going to find that none of them fit correctly because each one of them is cut just a little bit incorrectly, okay? So we're gonna see that come to play here in this exercise. I'm gonna show you on paper exactly the steps that I want you to follow to finish this exercise, and you will let me know if you got any questions. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the things that we really need to watch for when we're plotting this out. So number one, we're going to notice that it says place your ruler on line AB. We've got A, B, C, and D. So this would be line AB. It says measure 2 1/4 across from point A. This is very important because if I measure across 2 1/4 from point A, it says, call that point E. If I were to measure the other direction, and I measured 2 1/4, but I did it from point B, you can see that's a very different location. And because further down the line, we are going to connect lines, connect points together, and then measure along those lines to make new points, you'll find that if you are off by what would be about an inch here, that's going to throw off the entire picture in the end. So as you make these marks and as you label them, make sure that you're paying attention to which line you're measuring from on and which point you are measuring from. Let me know if you've got any questions.